Hi, good morning. How are
A
you?
very, a very good morning. I am doing good, ma'am. And you, ma'am?
I'm also doing well. Thank you so much for asking. Okay, I believe we are meeting for the very first time. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Please say something about you. I love to know.
Okay. So my name is Binod Hasda, and I am a thumbnail designer. And I have studied till the ninth class only. After that, I did not study. So now I am learning graphic designing. Okay.
Okay.
So it's my
Wow.
small introduction, and I love watching, mm, football, cricket, etc. And I love
Hmm.
film as well.
Wow, that's great. Very good to know. Okay, I'm going to introduce myself. Okay, as you know, my name is Susmita Kausik. I belong to Assam. Currently, I stay in UP due to my husband job. About
Mm.
my qualification, I have done master, and apart from I have done PGDC as a computer course also. I'm married person, mother of one kid. About my hobbies, I like play badminton, cooking, reading, and talking to people. That's all about me. Thank you.
Yeah. So, and ma'am, thank you for giving me this opportunity to have conversation with you because means I
It's
saw
my
your
pleasure.
video.
Okay.
After that, I messaged you.
Okay, thank you so much for connecting me. It's my pleasure. Okay, which kind of thumbnail do you make? Is it any particular or you get some order from the YouTubers or I did not get? Could you clarify to me?
Yeah. So, ma'am, means currently I did not start yet. Means normally now I am learning. So I have
Mm-hmm.
made some thumbnail, but I did not upload on YouTube and I did not means sell those thumbnail.
Okay.
But but
You are
in
just
future,
learning.
yeah. But in future, I would like to work in thumbnail sector for
Wow, that's
YouTube.
great. That's the unique. I haven't made, who makes thumbnail so far. So you are the first person. So I love to know something more detail about it. Why did you choose this part to, grow to in your career?
So because I am a thumbnail designer and I want to means carry this career forward. So
Hmm.
and I want to work with American clients. So that's why English is very important for me. So that's why I am learning English. So it is.
Okay, that's great. That's great. How did you think about to do this kind of work? Who
So means
motivates you and with whom did you motivate?
so after few years back, so I watched many videos on YouTube.
Okay.
So after that I got motivated
Hmm.
and so I was learning computer in coaching center. So at that time, so I thought to go for this career.
Wow, that's great. Is there any particular application do you use? If you are able to, if this secret you can reveal, then please tell me. I love to know as well. Which application do you use?
I use two application and one is Canva and second one is Photoshop.
Photo,
Shop.
Photoshop. Okay, yeah, Photoshop. That is the good application.
Mm.
Okay. And which course are you pursuing in computer?
So I learned courses like diploma courses.
Okay. Is
So
it
in
3 months? Am I right?
no, it was 1 year course.
Uh-huh. Okay. Could you tell me your course name?
So it was diploma in office automation and publishing.
Okay. Okay. That's great. Okay, that's great. Would you like to discuss any topic or do you think about to know something from me?
Yeah,
Do you
I
have
would
any
like to.
queries? Do you have
I
any
don't have
queries?
no, I don't have any queries, but I would like to know means I have been struggling for English. So means I would like to know means how to get partners. Means I don't have any partners. So how can I get
Okay.
partners?
Okay. Did you connect with me through the group or you got email from my channel?
So I saw your video. After that, I thought to message you. But I am not in any Skype group.
Okay, don't worry, don't worry. Then I will add you in some group. Okay, you will get the partner to connect. Okay, don't worry about it. I will add you some. I have some groups. So I will add you on there.
So thank you,
Is
ma'am.
it okay?
Yeah,
It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure because we are learning here, so we should help to each other to grow together, isn't it?
yeah.
Okay, that's great. Okay, how long have you been learning this language?
So I started learning this language means 2 years back, and I have been learning, but on video means only for practice in video. So this is my third call. So I am nervous. So I have no confidence.
Don't worry about it. Don't be nervous and be confident. You are quite confident. Don't say like this. You are nervous. See, I do not feel like you are nervous. Little bit you are, but not that much. You will be confident very soon because when I will add you in this group, there are lots of people who are very eager to learn this language and they are every time, anytime they are ready to connect with the people. So you will be get confident from there very soon. Don't worry about it. And anything else would you like to ask or anything else do you know want to know?
So means now I am speechless. Means what to ask, what not.
Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, tell me about your area. What is the famous things of your area?
So basically I am from village. So here means there are many places. Those are very popular.
Mhm.
Like so, and my state is in in West Bengal.
Mhm.
So
Okay.
like Kolkata is very famous,
Mhm.
and
Okay.
Darjeeling.
Okay. Okay. Have you visited there?
So I visited only only one time in Kolkata, but Darjeeling I did not visit.
Okay. Don't you like to visit new places? Don't you want to explore the places?
Yeah, I want to explore many places, but now I can't afford to go because I am from village and I don't have much money. So at first I will have to make money. After that I will visit.
Definitely, definitely. It will come soon, very because you have been hard working for a long, so definitely it will pay off, right?
Yeah.
Okay, do you have any partner with whom you connect in your village?
So in my local area means there is no English speaker. Means there is no
Okay.
one.
Okay. How did you think about to learn this language then?
So means how did I think? Means when I was learning computer at that time means I got motivated to do freelancing means to make
Okay.
thumbnail designing. So at
Mhm.
that time, so I thought that if I would do thumbnail designing for foreigner, so English is important. At that time, I decided. So
Okay,
without
that's
English,
great.
I cannot do this work.
Uh-huh. Okay, you have been learning this language for 2 years. So,
Yeah.
which kind strategy were you following before that?
So,
In 2 years,
so
what were you doing?
yeah. So at the very beginning, so I started learning, sentence making,
Okay,
like you know, mm, so continuous tense, indefinite, past perfect. So these kind of tenses I learned, and after that I started, practicing,
okay.
and
Hmm.
and I watch English cinema like Iron Man, Spider Man, etc. to learn.
Okay,
But in the very beginning, so I used to watch cartoons in English.
that's good. Initially, that is the best,
Yeah,
isn't it? Don't you watch story videos? Don't you like?
yeah, I like stories. So I watched like Bal Ganesha, Krishna in English.
Okay.
So I loved that cartoon.
That's great. Okay, don't you use any kind of application to talk with the people on audio call, especially like S Fluency, English Body? This kind of application did not use.
So I used means I have used S Fluency and CB two
Okay.
application for audio call.
Mhm. Okay, that is the better.
Yeah,
That is the better to enhance our confidence and the fluency as well. Am I
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay, that's great. Anything else would you like to share, or anything else would you like to know?
So means you are running a YouTube channel. So I would like to know means how will you grow your YouTube channel? So what is your plan?
How I will grow my YouTube channel,
Yeah.
isn't it? Okay. I have been running YouTube channel for 6 months and it's going on well, I can say. Not that much. I'm not that much consistent toward my YouTube channel because I'm focusing on myself. Okay. And nowadays I'm uploading videos 4 in a month or 2 in a month. Like this, I'm uploading. I'm not that much consistent toward my YouTube channel. In future, yeah, I want to be a good communicator. So through this, I want to run my YouTube channel and I want to grow my channel like this.
So you are already a English teacher as well.
No, I'm not teacher. I'm learner like you. I'm also learner. So yeah, I'm enhancing and I'm focusing to learn this language.
So means,
Mhm.
means I have
Okay,
no
you
word.
are not able to ask any question to people, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, I will give you the one thing that you can ask to people if you are not able to get any sentences, any topic to discuss. So you can ask simply their education, their hobbies, where do you believe, what is the famous things of this place, what's your daily routine, what do you like to do? Isn't it? It is easy to express themselves and they will happy to express themselves, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. And you are beginner now, so I don't want to suggest any topic to discuss because this is little tough to describe about the each and everything, but you can practice yourself with the describe about your daily routine. So okay, tell me about your daily routine. What do you do morning to till night?
Morning to till night means I will share something. Means I will not share everything, but there are something I will definitely share. So means I don't have any time to wake up. Means at night anytime I wake up like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
after that
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Go ahead, please. Go
and
ahead.
after that I learn some vocabulary. Word meaning at least ten vocabulary.
Hmm.
So after learning vocabulary, I learn typing. So English typing. So after learning typing, so I learn Photoshop. So after
Mm-hmm.
that, I take breakfast. After taking breakfast, I do typing again. And in means in noon means at noon, I take my lunch. And after that, I go to take bath. And after coming, so so I after that I do typing again. So etc. And at 9 o'clock means after 9 o'clock, I go to bed.
Wow. And I feel surprised that why do you get up so early at 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m.? Why is it? You are that much curious to learn this thing, typing and to make thumbnail.
Yeah, so it is my habit.
Okay, wow. You are really curious to know or learn. Definitely will get success in your life soon because you are struggling for 2 years,
Yeah.
right? That's great. All the best for your future. And it was really nice conversation with you. Thank you so much for joining. Have a good
Thank.
day.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much, Vinod.
Yeah,
Nice to
thank you.
talk to you. Okay.
Yeah, bye,
Bye.
ma'am.